running this app. Error on Windows. 1. Check your antivirus software settings. 2. Google how to use command. Prompt or PowerShell to install your application. 3. Activate hidden administrator account via NetUser administrator/active yes command. 4. Disable Windows Smart Screen by turning off all options in App and Browser Control under Windows Defender or Microsoft Security. Disabling check apps and files, Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge, and Smart Screen for Windows Store. 5. Convert the affected account to administrator account. 6. Log in and log back to your own or admin account. 7. Move the setup file to a different location. 8. Disable user account control, run all administrators in admin approval mode at computer configuration-windows settings-security settings-local policies-security options in group policy, adit.msc. Plan B, set 0 to enable LUA at computer /HP_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/policies/system in registry editor.